Attention North Huron Blyth. Please respond to 239 McConnell Street. That's 239 McConnell Street between Mill and Morris Street. For a CO alarm sounding, no symptoms. Occupants will wait outside. Reporting there was a gas leak at the meter approximately a month ago. That's 239 McConnell Street. Attention North Huron Blyth. Please respond to 239 McConnell Street. 239 McConnell Street between Morris and Mill Street. For a CO alarm sounding, no symptoms. Resident will be outside. Reporting that there was a gas leak at the meter approximately a month ago at the same residence. 239 McConnell Street. July the 28th at 22:31.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Car 3 acknowledges the page for Blythe Station. Blythe Station responding shortly.
Roger that, copy. You acknowledge the page. We'll be responding shortly. 22:31.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3's on scene.
Roger that, car 3, I copy. You're on scene at 22:33.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch made contact with the homeowner. The residence is clear at this time.
Roger that, I copy. A big contact with the homeowner and the residence is clear at this time. It's 22:35.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 6.
Go ahead.
You can show Engine 6 responding. Foxtrot +5 belted.
There's Roger, Engine 6 responding. Foxtrot +5.
Foxtrot, car 3. Go ahead, car 3, Foxtrot. You can just respond lights only. Roger that, car 3. Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 6.
Go ahead.
You can show Engine 6 arriving on scene. Foxtrot be command. Command will be mobile.
That's Roger, Engine 6 on scene. Foxtrot in command and mobile. 22:37.
Command, call. Go ahead, entry 1. 0 readings on the first floor. We're going to proceed to the basement. Roger that, entry 1. First floor sweeps complete, heading to the basement. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show I have 2 firefighters entering the structure, completing a sweep, further investigating.
That's Roger.
Command, call entry 1. Go ahead, entry 1, command. We've completed a sweep of the basement, 0 readings. We're going to exit the building. Roger that. Complete sweep of the basement, no readings. Exiting the building. Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 clearing the scene.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Turning in, calling, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show we did multiple sweeps of the building. Issue was a faulty detector. Engines Command is terminated. Engine 6 is clearing scene, returning to the Blythe station.
That's Roger. You did multiple sweeps of the building. Issue with a faulty detector. Command terminated. Engine 6 returning. 230403.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 6.
Go ahead. Engine 6, go ahead.
You can show Engine 6 back at station, back in service. Could you download this call for me, please?
Sorry, I'll do it right now. Have a good night.